Hello everyone, we are here at IMTS 2024 in the Allied Machine and Engineering booth. Here with me is John, one of their project managers, and we are going to be talking about the new technology that you guys have out. But before we get into that, tell us a little bit about the booth and what you guys are featuring here today.
Sure, yeah, so as you can see, Allied Clubhouse is the theme here. So all things sports related, really. Home run derby, we got virtual reality home run derby here. So really kind of getting into fun aspects of machining and bringing light energy to the environment. So
you guys do a great job doing that. And for those who don't know Allied, what is your guys' expertise?
So really hole making, hole finishing is really what we strive for. Anything with the hole, there's a lot of industry specialists out there, and that's what we say is our claim to fame. We can make the hole and we'll finish it, whether it's threading, boring, reaming, kind of complete that whole package.
Fantastic. All right, well, I know you guys have some new products over with the TA Pro line, so let's head over that way.
Let's head over, yeah. So really with TA Pro, we have some expansions, some new additions when it comes to size ranges with the TA Pro. We can look here. So here's really what we'll want to highlight on the TA Pro. So really small diameter ranges. We're going down to 9.5 millimeter now on the small things, the small diameters, ISO P, K, N, and X geometries. The X geometry is going to be more general purpose. So we have all those covered now. You get the same benefits of the TA Pro that we've had out now featured for quite a few years.
Sure.
But you can kind of accelerate your penetration rates. We like to say, looks like a spade, smells like a spade, but performs much different.
Performs much different. And with the whole TA Pro line, this is the new addition. What is kind of the cutting edge technology that you guys are using in this line to be competitive in the market here?
Yeah, so really kind of completely redesigned the holder and the inserts in general. So buffed up the body diameters, making it a more robust tool. You can run it faster, run it harder, and still get that same reliability that we're really used to. And then we kind of move into the Genesis XT Pro. So we've had this out for a while now. This is more of our high penetration style tool. So we get a new geometry here with the ISO M class material. So any of the stainlesses, 400, 300 series, high temp alloys, really targeting those nasty to machine materials.
Do you see any specific industries or applications like frequently used with the TA Pro?
Yeah, so TA Pro, I'm convinced you can't lose when you're talking about bigger diameters. 1 inch, 25.5 millimeter, and really deep holes is where that tool is really successful. So
all right.
I think all around that, yeah, it works well.
Fantastic. I know we have one other product that we want to showcase. Let's head over this way.
Sure, yeah. So a couple of the other ones here, it would be new tools, ES bore cartridge for kind of special modular tools. We'll look at that here in a second. And then as well as our 3E-Tech Plus module. So if we look here, actually, we kind of have a model we can pull. So kind of a unique cartridge here where you can bolt this into special tools, and it's all finish adjusting. So finished cartridges, custom boring solutions, a really good solution whether you're making your own boring assemblies or you're using us to create those assemblies.
And whether they're making their own or using you guys, when can a customer get involved with Allied? How soon should they bring you guys in? Whether it's a turnkey, if they're trying to buy tooling after the fact. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, it's a great question. So I think the earlier you can get everyone involved, the better. Obviously, when it comes to special tools and designing, like you said, turnkeys, that's where we want to optimize a solution. So I'd say the earlier the better when it comes to getting Allied involved, all of the cutting tool manufacturers.
Sure, and back to this product, what is kind of the new thing that you guys are bringing with this piece of tool?
Yeah, so I think you can assemble it into a wide range of solutions. And with this too, there's a cartridge that you can place on here that's all finish adjust readout, digital readout, whether it's a 10th, really fine adjust cartridges. So you're really bringing modularity to your system and able to target really finished diameters, tight tolerance work on large pieces, multiple bores, all in one shot.
Fantastic. And I know that you guys have some events coming up within the next year, and you guys are located in Ohio, which is a lot of where the HEH audience is at. Would you be able to talk about your locations and where they can find you next? Yeah, so PMTS, I think, is the next one up in Cleveland. So we're in Dover, like you said, Shay, so really local when it comes to our manufacturing team. We have all made in U.S., really. Outside of, we have some locations in Germany and Georgia. So U.S. made, and especially in the Northeast Ohio, Northeast region. So all really local. Excited to be out there at PMTS and have some more interaction. Absolutely, and a website that any of our viewers can reach you guys at.
Yeah, alliedmachine.com.
Awesome.
See you there.
Thank you so much for being with us. And guys, be sure to stop by the Allied Machine and Engineering booth here at IMTS 2024. I think it's one of the best booths in the building. Thanks. We'll see you next time.